Alright, today we're back with a new security camera. Special thanks to our friends over at ANNKE who were nice enough to send us this 3 megapixel smart security camera. So, let's open this one on up. We have a nice little ANNKE 24-hour video surveillance sticker, a nice little instruction manual, and then on this side we have the actual camera. We're crushed on this one too, but we have our accessories. So we have an included little wall mount. This would mount the camera to the wall, of course, and the wall mount positioning sticker, some screws and a reset pin, USB-C cable to, of course, charge up. Now, to look at the camera here, nice simple design here on the front. I do like that the bottom, as they code in that photo on the box, has the ability to just be set there. We have micro SD card slot, reset pin, power button, and your USB-C port to charge it. And you could hook this up to a solar panel with this little included. A few great features that I really like here is the 2K resolution. I can say the resolution of this camera is very clear, gives great picture quality. I love the fact that it includes some free cloud storage, but I would of course recommend the micro SD card in the bottom. Then you don't have to rely on your Wi-Fi being available. You always get those clips. And lastly, you can add a USB-C solar panel so you can set this up and forget it. Never have to worry about it again. Just have it up there recording for you.